how to connect AirPods 4 to a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your AirPods 4 to any Chromebook using Bluetooth. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we just want to get our AirPods 4 and we want to put them in the case and then hold the case and then make sure that they have a charge. From there, we just need to put our AirPods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, open up the case and then double tap the light until you see it blinking white. From there, on your Chromebook, just simply go down to where you see the clock, select that, then choose Bluetooth, and then go to Pair New Device. You should see your AirPods come up. If they don't come up, make sure that they haven't connected to something else and that they're still in pairing mode. Then just select them. You'll see it stop blinking, and that means that they are now connected, and you can even see them if you go back to Bluetooth, it'll say AirPods connected. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.